All right. Good morning. What's going on, Optimus? So today, I actually picked up a lead trader funding evaluation. They are crazy cheap right now. There's of course a link in the description for that, and that'll hook you guys up with like 85% off. I think it is. Um, I'm trying to get this thing to load here. Yeah, so if you want to pick up one of these, I actually just picked up a 100K account right before this stream started. So we haven't taken any trades in there yet. That allows me 14 positions. Crazy amount. I don't think I'd ever even take that much. But profit target is 6,000 with a trail max of 3. But for 30 bucks, I mean, dude, that's crazy cheap. All right, let's check in on what we got today. So we just had the S&P global PMI data just dropped, as well as jobless claims and challenger job cuts. And then we've got factory orders coming up at 7. Market was moving, so I'm gonna move quick here. Yeah, there was that pullback right there I was gonna grab. Let's see. I want 3 contracts, and I want 7 ticks. I'm gonna buy the bid right here.
Order filled.
All right, in there at 48.50. They're gonna get out at 50 and a quarter. A little more pullback than I want to see on that. I'm just looking for a push up to 50 here. We got this 5200 moving average cross on the way. Tap 50. There's our 50 and a quarter. All right, we're up to 50 or so on our first trade of this account. Profit target here is 6,000. So should be able to do that in probably about 12 days or so. We've been consistently doing the evaluations in about 6 days. Okay. So while this pulls back, I'm gonna jump over here real quick and just show you guys this for a little bit. So yeah, you can get a 50K account for 25 bucks. It's crazy cheap right now. If you've ever wanted to try out a prop firm, I would highly recommend this for a couple of reasons. Now, this is not financial advice, but a couple of reasons. Number one, I love Elite Trader Funding. I've worked with these guys since the start. They were the first prop firm I ever had. They've always had amazing customer service. If there's an issue, they make it right. And that's what I really like about them. They just announced these competitions here, and I'm kind of curious about this. So they just started doing this very recently. Take part in our tournaments to claim real rewards, improve your strategies, and battle against top traders. Competitions are frequently updated, so be sure to check back in. So they just announced this one. October's Future Face Off. Compete and win big prizes. Let's see. Show you what the view is here. So first prize is a live elite account. Trade real capital with our live broker, Edge Clear. You get a coupon code for a free eval reset with no expiration. That's pretty dope. You get a coupon code for 50% off any non-fast track evaluations, no expiration. That's pretty dope. That's first and second. Third to fifth, you get a lot more coupon codes for free things. So that starts in 4 days. It's pretty sick. But yeah, man, I would definitely say if you want to get an account, an evaluation, now's probably the time to do that. Got this nice pullback here to about 48.50. And now we're breaking above 50 here. We got this 5,200 moving average crossover, very close. And we're down to this 5750 level after falling off that 5800 and getting a chance for this the S&P to actually consolidate. It's looking a lot better. S&P still down $7 on the day, but this could easily come back and rip up towards the opening range there at 5770. So this is exactly what I want to see right here. This looks great. Let's see this pullback to around 50 and a bounce off 50. TTM is only at 2.9, so that looks pretty decent as well. I would love to even see this go red for a second. I don't know if we'll get that, but like it almost looks like right here is the buy spot, but I don't want to take it even if it pops. I want to wait for my move. There's red on the TTM right there, but it's off this doji, so it could still easily pop. We did get that 5,200 cross right there. Whoa. Big spike. There was 7 o'clock right there. There's the pop. Guess I should have taken it. A little volatile now. It was 54.
Order filled.
Hey, why'd that only take... Oh, I'm on 1 tick? Weird. I thought I was on 7. At least it was profitable. I have some resistance up here at 60. Crazy volatility.
Order filled. Order filled.
Took a quick 3 ticker. So up 375. I want to see this on 1 minute. That was nuts. I wish I would have taken the full 7 right there on that pop. It's a little volatile right now. Some pullback would actually make me feel more comfortable. There's an ascending wedge. So there was a little pullback to about 57 and popped back up to popped over 60 actually. Yes, going green on the day by a couple bucks. I was gonna say, I feel like if I trade here, I'm gonna get trapped. There's a big look at all those contracts. Woo! Yeah. Going back to 60. So that hit about 64. Yeah, like I really want to see a pullback to about 54. So about the 9 EMA. Heck, I'd even be happy with a pullback to I don't know about a pullback to 50, but maybe like 53. I'd be happy with a pullback to that. Like $5 pullback. So you got this 5,200 right here on the 1 minute. See that? And then it's just both of them directly above the VWAP. You got 50 getting above, 35 getting above 50. So that's in the right spot. TTM's at 8.1 though. So really, like, I honestly think a pullback to about 53 or so would be ideal. Let's take a look at this on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, 5 minutes actually almost on a cyan switch. Measure the power of that. Yeah, it looks decent. Popping right back up to 60. So 57 was the pullback. TTM's now at 9.3. Seems a little extended. I don't know about extended, if that's the right word. I just kind of feel like it's a little like the TTM itself is extended, but the chart itself I don't think is. This little U-shaped pattern here. Hella volatile. In a good way, though.
Order filled.
Took an entry at 64. Out
Order
on that
filled.
one. Another 100. I'm just taking 3 and 3s right now just because of the volatility. Although buying off this 57 would have been more of like a 7 tick that I would have gone for. I'm just taking these scalps just because I'm buying near the highs. Like I said, I actually wanted to see a pullback. 57 was the pullback. I was hoping for more like 53 or 55. But that 57 is what we got. And then, subsequent rip up to 64, 65. So. But a move like that, where we got this big like sell-off, it's honestly would be kind of ideal. 64 down, 56. Now I want to see a pullback to probably around 60. Trying to buy at pullbacks, really. TTM 1 minute is at 12.5. We just got a 5200 cross. 35 just got above it all. When are we going to see the sell-off? Are we going to hit the opening range there? The high's up at 72. 72, 75 to be precise. Kind of feels like this is going to push up towards the highs. I don't want to be pulled in by any sort of momentum of any kind. Essentially, I don't want to get pulled in by like, the passion of trading, if you will. Curious where oil ended up. Oil's at 72s. I'm not going to trade oil, but I was just curious where it ended up. Been kind of tracking it over the last few days. Oil is one of the things that I kind of want to stay low. So if oil stays low, then all the rest of the cost of everything else stays low. There's a doji up there at the top of the 1 minute. This could mean a sell-off. It could also mean a rip. And then I'm leaning a little bit towards some sell-off. Not like a massive sell-off. I don't think we're dropping down to 50 or nothing, but maybe a pullback to like 60 area. Ideally, I'd love to see red on the 10-second TTM to give us a really nice timer to be able to look at a larger move. So that pulled back to 65, then bounced up to 67. I don't feel comfortable where it's at right now. I still want to see pullback. But, you know, we only have room really to pull back to like 62. Any more than that, then it might, you know, not look so good. So I want to watch the 10-second TCM. I really want to see this go red, then yellow, then back to cyan. In which case, you know, I might go for like a 12 ticker, like a $3 move. Just because I think that the market has the volatility to support that. Whew. Got a lot of stretching to do. It's the pullback though that I'm really like, and you guys have heard me say it a lot of times. It's the pullback I'm really looking for. TTM's stretched at 15 now. And it doesn't care. Pop from 65 up to 68. 68.75 is the high there. And 69.50 is the opening range. So really close to that. I bet we tap 69.50 to 3 doji for 5 green candles. So that really was it. I barely even saw that happen. In fact, I missed it. So there's 70. Kind of stalling out a little bit up here. Whew. Too much Darjeeling, not enough food. We're up 476. First day trading this account. Some sell-off right there. Not much, but just enough. Give that a pullback to down to 67. Tried to go short there in my Top Step account. Kind of missed the fill. Pretty big sell-off right there. I also missed the short. Like I said, though, it seemed pretty stalled out there. So this fell down 10 bucks off of 70. Fell all the way down. That's a pretty big short right there. It was like a $20 drop.
Order filled. Order filled.
Took a quick scalp off that. I really wish I could have got a little bit more of that move. But something's better than nothing, I guess. Massive sell-off off there, off the opening range. See if we get a nice big bounce here too. So you can look at the 1 minute chart. There's a bounce up to 55. One thing I love about days like this is that it's easy to take really quick scalps.
Order filled. Order filled.
So there's another 100. Up 676 on the day. Let's see if this bounces, but after a sell-off like that, I'm definitely a lot more bearish. Technically, we're trading in a range, but it's a wide range, and wide range is fine with me. That's a lot easier than like range trading is not that bad. It's chop trading that I hate. But range trading I can deal with. Range is fine. So that fell massively down on TTM, up at like 14, all the way down to 2 over like 3 minutes. Pretty incredible. Just the sheer power of that drop. Getting another bounce here, and there's a silent switch on 10 second. Running into 60 at the moment. Like, I'm tempted to buy just because of the movement, but tempted to, like, somewhat risk averse to stay out of it. There's a 9-12-26.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, made a tiny little bit of money in my Top Step account. I got a long way to go to bring that back to anything, if it's even possible. I'm just gonna do it very little at a time. Outside of that, I'll stick on my new account for the moment. It's kind of looking like this move might be sort of at its end. It doesn't mean that there's not going to be more moves here. There's definitely a lot of volatility today, and I think the market absolutely needed this. A day like this, it's been choppy and crappy for like 2 weeks, and I was frankly done with it. I was like damn near feeling like maybe it's time to throw in the towel on trading for a little while, and honestly, just like keeping the mindset of like, hey, maybe I don't need to trade today. That would have been so helpful for me over the last 2 weeks. But sometimes like I'm showing up to the stream, I do feel like I'm just kind of like, you know what, I do still need to show up, but if I show up, I'm likely going to trade. So, there you have it. But I might end there today, up about 700, like 676 in a new 100K account. So, in fact, I'll throw the stats up on the screen so that y'all can see it. Oops. That's not the right one. There we go. All right, so we did 750 gross P&L, and 676 after trading fees. So there we have it. That's the results of the day. Dude, maybe I should make this be the thumbnail. So, all right, y'all. Thanks so much for being here. I love and appreciate all you guys. I'll see you guys. Well, I want to say I'll see you tomorrow, but Friday has not been my friend for trading. Um, but yeah, just plan on it for tomorrow. If I'm not here, I'll announce it in the Discord community. So, by all means, we'll see you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Peace.